Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be unboxing my book of the month. And basically what book of the month is, it's like a subscription service where you get a book delivered to your house every month. And you're the one that gets to pick out the book. And if you use the link that's down in the description of this YouTube video, it's going to be only $5 for your first month. So what I have for this month is this book, which is called What Kind of Paradise by Janelle Brown. And they always give you this cute little bookmark. Since I have like I've been through a few months of this club, I've upgraded to the friend status because of the amount of books that I've received. And basically, I'm really loving the graphic design of this book cover. And the reason why I chose this book is because it's dealing with how, basically, so I'm going to read the synopsis to you guys. Growing up in an isolated cabin in Montana in the mid-1990s, Jane knows only the world that she and her father live in. The wood stove that heats their home, the vegetable garden where they try to eke out a subsistence, the books of 19th century philosophy that her father gives her to read in lieu of going to school. Her father is elusive about their past, telling Jane little beyond the facts that they once lived in the Bay Area and that her mother died in a car accident, the crash propelling him to move Jane off the grid to raise her in a Walden-esque utopia. As Jane becomes a teenager, she starts pushing against the boundaries of her restricted world. She begs to accompany her father on his occasional trips away from the cabin, but when Jane realizes that her devotion to her father has made her an accomplice to a horrific crime, she flees Montana to the only place she knows to look for answers about her mysterious past and her mother's death, San Francisco. It is a city in the midst of a seismic change where her quest to understand herself will force her to reckon with both the possibilities and the perils of the fledgling internet, and where she will come to question everything she values. In this sweeping suspenseful novel from the best-selling author Janelle Brown, we see a young woman on a quest to understand how we come to know ourselves. It is a bold and unforgettable story about parents and children, nature and technology, innocence and knowledge, and the losses of our past and our dreams for the future. So I'm pretty excited to read this book. Pretty much. And it's the book of June 2025. I'll keep you guys updated with another video on how I felt about this book. But also excuse my speaking. I'm trying to get better at speaking in general, so see you guys soon.